Hello and welcome to Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Manhattan Flourish. I've seen various other names for this, but I think this is one of the most popular. Knowing how to do a Manhattan or a half Manhattan, because you could do this from a half Manhattan as well. We're going to do it from a full Manhattan. Need to be able to do that, so clip to teach that is in the description below, link to it, and the flourish will teach you. So the whole thing looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are going to fancy up our Manhattan a little bit. So we go man's left, lady's right. We go back. We come in side by side, picking up the shoulder blade. We're going to twist the ladies out. The ladies are going back on the right, guys are going forwards on the left. So standard Manhattan so far. We come back. Still standard Manhattan. We go back and forwards. And this is the way, I mean, you could do as many of these as you want, but we're going to go into the flourish on the second set. So we're going to go forwards and instead of going back, we're going to make it a much bigger step, a faster step, a lunge, and go long. So what we're doing is lunge, but we're adding rotation and shaping. Just to make it nice, we come back up, transition the weight, twist out, finish the first move off. In, under and face, return and back. So all we literally did was lunge, bring our hips over and curve up with the arm to make a nice shape. You could make lots of different shapes. You could have gone that way as opposed to curving around. And from a styling point of view, try things out. Use the ones you like. As with a lot of styling, you don't really want to have everybody looking the same. You all want to have your own flavour. So let's talk numbers. We're going to go back 1, in 2, forward 3, back 4, back 5, forward 6, back 7, and we get our big lunge and pose 8. We come back up 1, twist out 2, in 3, turning 4, facing 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's try it together. Obviously make the lunge a comfortable size for your partner, because occasionally you get a guy with like long legs and very tall with a petite lady and he's like, yeah, I'm going to do this big lunge, it's going to be fantastic, and the lady's going, I don't stretch that far. So keep it in proportion. Here we go. And obviously, actually one more thing, from a safety point of view, it doesn't have to be a big movement. You could just as easily do your setup and make it quite small. Yeah, so if you're feeling a bit delicate or your partner's feeling a bit delicate, it doesn't mean you don't have to do the move, but you could do a kind of toned down version. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Manhattan Flourish. It's a back, in, a forwards and back, back and forwards, a forwards and flourish, up, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And that is that. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. A little bit fancier than a lot of the things we've been putting up, and maybe that's going to be your cup of tea. We'll see. Okay, thank you for watching Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the particular video. Okay, so it gives us a flavour of what more things to make for people. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. Helps us do more stuff generally, and hitting the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. One of them will be a link to a music video of a tune that would be nice to do this to. As always, thank you for watching Floorcraft. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.